Hello and welcome to English in Action. In today's video, you'll learn how to speak English in a restaurant. You'll hear a fun and simple conversation between Jake and Emily. I'll speak slow and clear, and you can repeat after me if you want. Let's get started.
Hey, Emily, how are you?
Hey Jake, I'm good.
Want to grab dinner tonight?
Dinner sounds great. Where?
There's a nice Italian place near my house. It's quiet and cozy. I think you'll like it.
Yum! I love Italian food. What time?
Let's meet there at 7.
Perfect. See you soon.
Repeat after me. Dinner sounds great. There's a nice place near my house.
Hey, you look great.
Thanks, Jake. I'm so hungry.
Same here. Let's go in.
What do you usually eat here?
I like the chicken pasta, but the pizza is also good.
Ooh, I might try the pasta.
Repeat after me. I'm so hungry. I might try the pasta.
Good evening. Table for two.
Yes, please.
Follow me.
Nice place. I love the lights.
Yeah, it's kinda romantic.
Maybe a little.
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Just water for me, please.
Same here, thanks.
Repeat after me. Table for two, please. Just water for me, please.
I didn't eat much today. I saved my appetite for this.
Smart move. I skipped lunch too.
What's your favorite food?
Hard question. I love burgers, but I also love sushi.
Sushi? Nice. I want to try it someday.
Repeat after me. What's your favorite food? I want to try it someday.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
And I'll take the pepperoni pizza.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
I can't wait. I'm so hungry.
Me too. I hope it's good.
Repeat after me. I'll have the chicken pasta. That's all for now.
Can I get some water, please?
Of course. You okay?
Yeah, just a little thirsty.
Good thing we asked for water.
Repeat after me. Just a little thirsty. Can I get some water?
Thanks for joining me tonight, Emily.
I had a great time. The food was delicious.
Want to do this again sometime?
Sure, maybe next week.
Deal.
That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this simple conversation. You can watch again and practice by repeating the lines. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on English in Action.